Hey guys, in this video we are going to take a look at the Android 10Q Pixel DP3 GSI for a Redmi Note 5 or the Redmi 5 Plus, and this is just an installation video, so without wasting more time, let's go. Okay guys, in the last developer preview video, which was a DP2 video, I told you about the installation and make it actually usable, but this one has a whole lot of features and like some broken stuff too. But yeah, we will get Android Q. Like this is just P time and we have to enjoy the P time, and then later we will get Android Q time when it is ready and it is like actually stable for usage. But now it's not stable, so you have to actually wait. So for now, to experience the developer preview from Pixel device, like the Pixel devices which I already got it, the betas. So if you want to experience it, you can install it. So as you can see, you have to press the volume up and the power button to boot your device into recovery mode, and yes, USB recovery is necessary or any other treble recovery. So you need a TWRP treble recovery or any other treble recovery like Orange Fox, or we have that pitch black recovery, but you will need a treble one, and the latest one is Orange Fox and this one. So first you have to go to wipe, then dalvik cache system vendor data. Also if you want to just restore your older ROM, you have to backup it first using this option, and you have to backup all partitions without those image one, so you can easily then restore it. Then now I'm using the Beastrom's vendor, which is the most stable vendor to boot DP3, the Pixel GSI. So Beastrom's vendor, and you don't have to auto reboot after this. So let's skip this installation. So guys, the Beastrom's the ROM has been flashed. Now you have to flash the GSI, which is in image, and the download link which I will give, you will get that .zz .7z file. You have to extract that, and then you will get this image. Then you have to flash this as system image. So also let's just skip this part to get it flashed. Okay, after the GSI, you have to just flash the permissive and the fixed zygote zips. Like these two zips are compulsory if you are flashing a GSI, like the betas and the PGSI. So yeah, this is actually compulsory. So yeah, these two zips, and you just have to reboot. So let's check. So guys, this is the latest. As you can see, 10 May GSI. Today is 11th May, so it is the latest and fresh thing from Google. These two zips take a lot, but these two are the most important zips, or without the permissive or this one, your device won't boot up. So yeah. Okay, so it is completely flashed. Now you'll see the boot logo and the boot animation, the Google Pixel boot animation, the pure one, white one. And guys, this the developer previews from Pixel, it's like everything, this GSIs are all because of the Project Treble, so thanks to Google for that. And as you can see, it's booting, so we'll just skip this part and we'll just move towards the main part on the home screen, and let me show you some features from the Pixel GSI. Okay guys, so the GSI has been booted, so just ignore this SETI warnings at first. And also your device will lag, like you will feel like it's lagging a lot. It is working in 10 to 15 fps, so just ignore that. Okay, so first you have to just bring down the brightness, and it already works from the home screen, I don't know why. Then you have to change the wallpaper because the normal live wallpapers won't work, so you have to install a basic wallpaper. And as you can see, the landscape and all are not present, I don't know why. It's because of the Wi-Fi, I guess. So in the shadows, we'll just keep one wallpaper from here, so I will just choose this one. This looks good, like it's just for the video. So okay, so yeah, this one looks good. Let's just check. I guess the brightness is flickering. Yeah, there are some issues, so just don't get excited about it, and don't judge it like it will be a fully stable one. As you can see, it flickers, and sometimes the launcher, so the launcher is also flickering, also it's loading. So yeah, there are some issues still right now with the GSI, so you have to like let it settle for some time and then it will like just start moving normally. So you have to like let the apps load. Okay, till then we will just go to settings and oops, okay, about phone, and you can see in here it is confirmed now it's 10. Like it was actually already confirmed that it is 10. Like I thought it was 10.1 or something, but yeah, it's 10, like just 10. Like it was Android 9 and now it is 10, not 10.0 or 10.1. Also the security patch May 5 mainline software update 29 system image. I don't know what is this, but yeah, something different I saw just now. Then we have the kernel version, which is the beast 4.9.173 tag, and yes, 4.9 kernel. So yeah, like on Android Q already, but yeah, it's actually GSI. So build number, you can actually move into developer options. Here are the developer options. You can see you can move into and you can check some options if like some hidden stuff is preloaded into this, so you can see. So you can check this out after installing. Okay guys, I guess this has finally settled. So as you can see, let's take a look at some new stuff from the DP3. Actually it is also from the DP2, but yeah, it's okay. So let's take a look at the status bar, and as you can see we get this new battery icon. Like I don't know like if I have told you about this battery icon in the DP2 video or it is present now, but yeah, this is it. Also guys, one more thing here, as you can see into quick settings, you get the build number. Also the edit icon has been moved to the left, and you can see the build number, the Android beta program build is also available here. Okay guys, one more thing, like people have been like asking for Google to implement this feature, and this is the dark theme guys. Like finally now, as you can see, the quick settings blank, it will be like actually okay after some time, like some seconds. So as you can see, the background, like the settings background is actually AMOLED black and not dark, so it looks actually good. Like even if this is a LCD display, the AMOLED black looks good, so thanks Google for that. And the quick settings have been loaded. As you can see, the violetish color, purplish color, and for the quick settings I think it is like looking like blue from the camera but yeah, it's purplish color. Also as you can see, flashlight works, so you can use this phone as a flashlight if you want to flash like DP3 GSI, the Pixel one, and just like show to your friends. Now as you can see, the battery icon, the UI has been redesigned. Like from Oreo to Pi it was redesigned, now Pi to Q it is also redesigned, so that is also great things. Also for this device the secured Wi-Fi is working, so I will just connect to a Wi-Fi. So I'll just connect to my okay guys, as you can see it is connected to my secured Wi-Fi. So for the device secured Wi-Fi works, and yeah, that is the menu. As you can see, privacy, location, like it's separated. Okay, what happened? Okay, there are some like system here glitches here and there, so just ignore them. And now we will move to display, and here we get night light, theme dark. You can switch. Supported apps will also switch to dark theme. So it says supported apps, so dialer is not. Also like sorry, the dialer is like the Google dialer, so it will require the GMS APK to actually like clean up the Google shit, because yeah, this current Play Store won't work. You have to install the GMS. So yes, the link is here about the DP2, and if you want to make it usable you can try on this, but I'm not going to like just show you exactly how to do that here with again and again. So it is in my DP2 video, so you can check this out here. I am already told you that, and sorry for this. Also now let's check out some more stuff. The captions I checked, it was not present, but yeah, you have to actually okay, here are the captions, and there is no live caption option, but if like you are actually playing a video or something, then the live captions will come. I don't know, but I cannot play actually a video now because as you can see nothing is here, so yeah, cannot live that. But yeah, the Android Q battery icon, we have the also yes guys, the most important thing about this one is the gesture. As a system navigation, we get the 3 button, the 2 button, and the fully gestural navigation, which is the new shit from Google. Actually, I'm speaking this as shit because it is copied MIUI, and how I will tell you guys. So that is how MIUI works. If you swipe from the right or from the left, it goes back, and from the middle it goes to the home screen. And guys, that's it. I don't have anything like more to say about this, as this is actually a developer preview, and it's not like stable, but yeah, you can like just experience it, so it is actually good. And yeah, the gestures work fine, so you can experience it. And please install it my way, don't use any other vendor. Beastrom's vendor is the only the one that works, so please try it. And also, that's it. If you guys like the video, press the like button. If not, press the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel, and bye bye. I'll see you guys in the next video.